Sam here with MarineMax Coco, and today we're going to check out this Boston Whaler 280 Vantage, one of my favorites. As you can see, it's a platinum hull color. You have the black rubber with the stainless insert. You can also see the black powder coating. Beautiful boat, beautiful lines. As we make our way to the back, you can see this is equipped with twin 300s V8. Beautiful motors, and it definitely goes with the black powder coat. Back here you can see you have rod holders everywhere, plenty of rod holders. You have rocket launchers up here. You have rod holders on each side. Live well back here. Nice deep live well. Pull out aft seat. Notice Boston Whaler's structure here, very solid, thick. You do have a pull-out sprayer here, rinsing off when you get into the boat from the water. Battery switches. A nice seat here, and what's cool about this is you can see the refrigerator, and then we do have a Kenyan grill. This pops up. Nice grill, and then use this as a little prep station. Boston's Whaler innovative seating. Lay it all down, lounge out. Nice big head. You can drop down in there. It does have a sink with a pull-out sprayer. Porcelain toilet. Here you have lockable storage for all your personal items. And at the helm, you can see nice big Simrad on the acrylic dash, your Mercury vessel view, all your toggle switches, your VHF. You can see this boat is standard with joystick. As we make our way to the bow of the boat, nice seating. You have storage everywhere. This is a nice big storage for rods, anything. It goes all the way back. Your windlass up here. Through hole. Keeps it protected. You do have your remote here and a sprayer as well. A lot of people like to spray it as it's coming in. Well, that's the 280 Vantage. This boat is available and ready for delivery. If you have any questions, give me a shout at 321-482-8762. Thank you.